than I was before.
Yeah, the coffee shop I buy shit and
Get plugged in. Everyone. I don't know what you're going through.
What do you do?
instruction.
Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, don't wanna bother me, and I was all you had. You know my heart is beating for you, and I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting, mommy. Where were you? Where have you been? Henry, where have you been? Baby, I don't know why you wanna do me wrong. See, when I'm home, I'm all alone, and you are always gone. Boy, you know I really love you, I can't deny. I can't see how you could bring me to so many tears after all these years. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting, yeah. And my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting, mommy. My heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. I trusted you, so sad, but love will make you do all the things that we accept, be the things that we regret. So all of lady, hear me, come on, sing with me. When I get straight to me, you always tell me that you need me, and I'm weak 'cause I believe you, and I'm mad because I love you. So I stop and think that maybe you can learn to appreciate me. Then it all remains the same, that you ain't never gonna change, never gonna change, never gonna change. But I'm hurting, baby, and my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting,
You gotta go home. You gotta go home.
Fatty, I saw the thing going. Fatty husband X5, yeah. Money car in a yard. Miami Dade, me there still. Anyway, this come like Jamaica. Same land, same tree, same grass. Jamaica, just have a different currency. Blood clot, this dog. Car angle one, change the seat. Mad thing. Blood clot. A crazy thing, yard. Blood clot. Not from boys who got Georgia, Jamaica. Dirty Mike and muscle to be killed on that bomb clot. Them pussy they attack me in 07 and beat me up to stealing money. The thief zombie money, but a little bit of money and not much. Him judge me for that big time. My mother sent back all the money and him get that. And then the man I tell the police about 100,000 me take. When I $38,000 me check and a 16 grand me borrow from him. So him get well for thousands, him get him big pay because of my fault or my wrongdoing. But you see my pay for that, you know, I go down on that, you know. When I go down on that and him still about him, I find him get fucked. Oh, he used to plague me with the music and he never ease up. I want to sleep and I couldn't blood class sleep in peace much like man, the boy Mikey. I want to shoot the two of them and burn on them house. But I shoot champion place I can get burned on in the business. I win that up here. I go to boom and go down to look for champion mother and try to find champion mother and sister and this actual champion and hope that if him alive he can give buy my vehicle and make him have a lift up. If Rogue One come up there, they say they get a dream about them, so the dream is good. So give them a thing if them actually are help them on a level. And buy the two of them a vehicle, make them go and drive them taxi. But that's all I know, so them not betray me and let me down. A boy Mikey and the boy must be on somebody. They have to get my condemnation straight up. Dirty boy Shanti, he not get no help from me. That dirty stinking, dirty Rasta boy there. Look up fucking look up. Nah get no help from me, dog. Live and him avoid me, you see it. Come pussy will wait your blood clot drunk here. Dirty stinking dog shit go blood clot if I'm not. See the pussy there. You know one pussy rascal with drunk them man. Son of Lucifer. Yeah, because I can't kill them more. And they because we have the right to kill them, you know. We have to stop blood by them, you know. And then they don't want to wrongdoing to we, you know. You see me I say, so anytime they see them do any wrongdoing to we, they might cover themselves in the politics and steal your right for murder them. Murder the stinking dirty bumbuckler man, them bad man. It's all of the African American black man and black woman, you can't trust them, you know. When they're working at the police force, you know, because they're going to violate you with a betrayal. I'm going to betray them one people. But I say I can lock up the carriers under the tree. Lock it off, you saw, bomb buckler out here, man. Bomb buckler out the tree root them and we a fuck. See the rum buckler rubbish truck there, yo. Rubbish truck come to clean up the place. Man, they get enough money in a yacht. Yes, sir. Give thanks to the most time I have safety. When I'm not jail, or not jail yet. And I come up and I avoid all the blood clot for corruption. The only thing we don't popularize is actually my yawning. I don't look no reward, I don't look no blood clot, I don't beg nothing, I don't look nothing for nobody. More when the last of fan Jamaica, I'm going to make me wonder. So the bomb buckler come talk about the name and all them. I still even bear testimony to people. I still have my blood clot mouth. Yeah, all them heard of me. They not teach him one name. Yeah, bomb buckler son not teach him one shit. It makes sense to die for blood clot him. It don't make sense. I play the pussy go play. Invisible blood clot father. But I use imaginary power. It don't make sense to teach him name because play we are ready. With the yellow skin people who are 6 dirtiness and that he make play out in the Garden of Eden. And I see it and they never do nothing with the Holy Spirit to stop that from play out. You see it? So Holy Spirit must come in and battle the farm, come tell you things. Holy Spirit fall short already, never do nothing to make a difference. It fall short. It keep a fuck your behavior, selfishness, so that's how it go. You know, you have them come play me for blood clot food and this. And the yellow skin board. I kill the pussy them. Lot of more win in a dog. That's a lot of dream I get in a pagan 24 in the month of July. Yeah, my dream something over $100 million. So I don't want to really try to bring to pass now. And we buy some ticket. Just go buy some ticket. Don't say I can't take them out and put them in the car. But then again, we keep them at the house. Bomb buckler. Go check them post hole. Anyway, I got stop the video now.